Hey everybody, it's Dr. William Clark here for Leadership Conversations. This is the show where we talk about leadership according to the world that matters to you. Wanted to quickly talk with you about how to maintain your composure during delays. Now, we as leaders sometimes can be very antsy and very anxious about getting to our outcomes and our goals, and we can be extremely impatient when things don't turn out the way that we want them to at the time we want them to. And so we kind of ignore and don't really value delays as we should. And so I wanted to talk with you about how to maintain your composure during delays because delays will come. The first thing I want to share with you is think about the big picture. Yes, you want results now. Yes, you want the information you need now. You want the outcomes you want right now. But the big picture is most important. The delay may not be what you are asking for or what you need, but the delay is an opportunity for you to be reminded of your big picture vision. Why are you pursuing this thing, particularly since it is delayed? And did you think about it holistically? Did you think through it strategically? Did you go through all the scenarios that are necessary? And the answer may not be a yes, right? And if it's a no, then it's a chance for you to look at what's missing, what you could do different, what you could do better, and how you can make adjustments along the way that can maybe save or salvage a project or the plan that you're trying to execute. Number two, while you're in the middle of the delay, learn something new in that moment. That moment of being delayed does not necessarily mean a denial or a no, but it could be a moment where you are responsible for learning something brand new that can add value to the process. Again, delays can be that thing that you needed, that moment, that pause in that life cycle of that project or program to add or tweak something that you might not have considered or you thought you didn't have time to add to the project. So, this can be a moment to learn something new, and in many cases, while yes, you can say, I can learn something new about the project, the partners, my team, etc., this is an opportunity to learn something new about you too, right? And one of the things you may learn about yourself is that you may not be as patient as you need to be, and you need to develop your composure. So, you might want to work on learning something about yourself and managing yourself much better, developing your composure while you're being delayed, developing your patience while you're waiting for an answer, developing your ability to do other things and find ways to stay focused and moving forward while you're being delayed. Number three, plan for multiple outcomes. Delays sometimes may result in the outcome you are targeting or expecting, but a delay could result in an outcome you did not expect or you're not ready to deal with. Therefore, when the delay comes, utilize the delay to develop strategies for multiple outcomes. So, if you get an outcome that you did not plan for, you can move forward with those results. Okay. And if you do get the outcome you did plan for, you can move forward with those results, right? Either way, you want to have a plan that can guide you to go left or right depending on the outcome that you are going to get after the delay. Now, there's another one I want to share with you. After you thought through the big picture, after you learned something new, after you plan for multiple outcomes, and we're talking about how to maintain your composure during delays, be ready to move forward. You got to be ready to move forward at the end of the process. You got to be ready to move forward when a decision is made, when the delay is over. You got to be ready to move forward when everything has run its course and you now are given the results that you've been waiting for. You may not get the results you're looking for. So, what are you going to do? You may get the results you're looking for, but you may not be pleased with those results given changes in the marketplace, given changes with customers, given changes with your team, given changes with the finances, given changes with you. And the results may not mesh with your team or you or your marketplace or competition or the business as you thought they would. So, now what? The delay was an opportunity, as we said in the previous point, to plan for multiple outcomes. Now that you got the outcome, whether it's what you wanted or not, you have to be ready to move forward either way. You can't stand still. You can't stay still. I do want to highlight a point really quickly that I just made, and that is, sometimes we do get the results that we wanted and we expected, but because of changes that we didn't see happening, those results are no longer worth it or relevant or useful. It's okay, all right? And delays are just opportunities to get better, to plan for the what ifs, or this may or may not happen, or the unforeseen things that are just going to pop up in business and in your leadership. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope that as delays are coming, and they do come at moments where you're not planning and ready for them, I hope that when they come, you use this advice to advance your leadership, because your team is going to be looking to you for guidance. They're going to be looking to you for an example on what to do and how to maintain composure in spite of the delay. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, TV, Twitter, YouTube, and your favorite podcasting platform. This is Dr. William Clark for Leadership Conversations, and we'll see you in the next show.